Hello traders, I hope you're keeping well. This is the Usoil spot on the 1 minute time frame. I just want to show you a quick live trade setup on this US spots, US oil spots. So as you can clearly see, we have this double bottom, yeah, or triple bottom, where you have this bounce here, bounce there, bounce there, and bounce there, yeah, actually quadruple bounces. So so yeah, so basically we had this bounce up that was higher than the first bounce to the upside, and then we came back again, and then we rejected the level, and then we had this what looks like a pin bar, and then we pushed up, and the last bounce to the upside did not actually get to the previous high. So we've now broken the level with this massive bearish candle, and I bet you we have sellers coming in, loads of retail traders coming in short. Yeah, so they've gone short for due to the breakout of this level. That stops will be above this high and above that high there. Yeah, so what I expect to happen is this market to come back, yeah, and then take take all the stops out, yeah, and then continue to the upside. So watch and see how this will come back to take them out. So I'll pause this video here, and then the current time is 12:28 p.m. In the UK on the 8th of April. So yeah, I'll come back to show you how these traders that have gone short here, how how they have been dealt with. So I'll just give you a quick view of where their TP would likely be. So the take profit would likely to be this low, yeah, the last low. But what will happen is this low here, this drop down would not get to that low before the market reverses. This is what they do. Yeah, they will entice you, induce you, and then keep you on believing that the trade is moving your way, and then they come back aggressively and take you out. So I'll pause the video, and then I'll come back to show you how this happened. See you soon. Okay, traders. Right, so we have pushed back to the upside. Yeah, like I said, you see they didn't let you get to that low where your profit taking, where people most likely were aiming to take that profit. So we've now pushed up aggressively, like I said. So when they're coming to take you out, if your stops was here or here, as you can see, they've come back aggressively and removed the stops. Yeah. So this high is still a possible hit. That high is also a possible hit. So what is happening now is the market has broken to the downside again. Let me extend this support and zone. Let me extend it. So as you can see, we US oil broke out with this massive candle. Like I always say, when we break out with big candles. So we retraced. Retracement traders have gone long. Yeah, so breakout traders went long, retracement gone long, stops taken out. Yeah, so we've come back again, retested the level, and then we put up with this bullish candle. So more buyers came in. So buyers came in there, came in here, came in here. Stops are going to be below this low here. Yeah, sorry. Stops are going to be below this low or this low here. Yeah, and yeah, we then broke back down again with this bearish engulfing candle. More sellers jumped in short. Yeah, and then stops were going to be above this high. Yeah, so this is the final leg down before the market continues to the upside. Yeah, so so once we broke back up, then feel free. This is not feel free. Well, this is where I would then go long. Yeah. So once we break and close above this zone, so I'm waiting for market to go back up and close above here. Then I'll know that the stops they're coming back to take out the stops. So this is when I'll go long, and my stop will be below this low. If this does not take out this low, or wherever this low stops, this down here, if it breaks this low, that's where I'm going to put my stop. If this low is respected, not taken out, then this is where I'm going to put my stop, and then yeah, so I'll be targeting at least that high there, yeah, or even that high there. All right, okay, I'll come back. All right, morning traders. Today is the 9th of April 2026, and it is 7:45 a.m. in the UK. So this is the US oil trade, and I'm back to close the video. So take profit has hit. So just a recap, we had this quadruple lows here. We broke down, and I say that we won't get to that low because this is a trap that they do set for uh, the retail traders, us. So I said once we broke back to this level, I'll go long. So I went long, stop below this low, and I said to look for profits at this high, or even that high there. All right. So yeah, so we hit both the profits, and the trade is now closed. All right. So this is basically how to trade profitably. I'll show you something quickly as well. Um, on the bigger scale, I think it's half an 30 minutes time frame. Actually, let's go for 1 hour time frame. Yeah. So also on the 1 hour time frame, we had equal lows in the market. All right. So we had this equal lows here. Yeah. So this is also a stop hunt area. Yeah, we also had this. Actually, what you could do is you can actually join this together. This zone here. Yeah. So this is a zone. Um, so this is a zone. Basically, you had a rejection there, broke out, rejected there, rejected there, rejected there, and then we broke out. All right. So you expect sellers to jump in. All right. Expect sellers to jump in here, and there will be lots of stops above the level. Yeah. So what you can do, because I'm a long term long on this drill on this pair. So what you could do is wait for a breakout and close above this level to look for long, and then put your stop below this level. All right. So you could trade this on any time frame. Yeah, just like you've seen on the 1 minute time frame. So you could wait for a breakout above the level because there'll be stops above here. So definitely breakout traders that have gone short here, stops will be above the level. So they need to come back to take them out. So you could wait for a breakout and then look for a candlestick or whatever pattern you trade to go long. Yeah. So yeah, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.